My name is Jay Garg,
And I'm Sam Capleth.
and we are representing Dubai College in the Cobus Science Video Competition.
Let's get right into it. So today we're going to be doing electrolysis.
You may not know what this is, but we will explain. So we've all learned that water is made out of two things, hydrogen and oxygen. Specifically, 2 hydrogen particles for every 1 oxygen.
Electrolysis is essentially separating water into these 2 elements. For this experiment, we are going to need a 9-volt battery, a special electrolysis container. This is basically just a modified test tube with a cork in the bottom and 2 holes to support these 2 metal rods. Two alligator wires, a water hydrochloric acid mixture, 2 flasks, and a clamp to hold the test tube.
So this is how we are going to set up the experiment. The moment we attach these alligator clips to the metal rods at the bottom of the electrolysis container, we will start to see bubbles rising up from the metal rods inside up to the top of the flasks. This is a sign that the experiment is working.
Water can be decomposed by electricity, but electricity cannot flow through water. This is why we added an acid, hydrochloric acid. An alkali would be sufficient as well, but an acid is more effective. The hydrochloric acid mixes with the water, making the water a better conductor of electricity, therefore allowing electricity to pass through it. Now kids, remember, safety is the priority, so make sure to wear safety specs, especially as we are dealing with a hydrochloric acid mixture. Also, whilst you are doing this, try not to touch the battery as it gets very hot. If you get any hydrochloric acid on yourself, wash it with water immediately.
To show our experiment, we did a time lapse, as it takes quite a long time for it to work effectively. As you can see in the video, bubbles are rising from the bottom of the container, the metal rods, to the top. These are the oxygen and hydrogen particles rising to the top. At the end of the experiment, the test tube with less liquid will be the one with hydrogen, as the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 2:1.
So this is what the experiment looks like after. As you can see, one of the flasks is higher than the other. We know the one that's higher is oxygen because there's less oxygen in H2O than hydrogen.
We thank you all very much for watching this video,
We hope you learned a lot.
and please vote for us.